guys, Colonel Ninny here. This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very complex flight sim and there's a lot to learn. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I've got over 100 tutorials that will guide your progress. Mission 7 is essentially about winter navigation. So it'll be the standard format of looking for ground targets on those 4 locations. The only difference is that we'll be flying at 2,700 feet just under the clouds. Knowing what your next heading is going to be is very important or you will get lost. So we've taken off and out the right wing we see the town of Genep. Now flying over the town of Cleve with the forest to the south. Next is Emmerich. Roads and railways are very easy to identify. So there's the first enemy position, with the convoy probably on the road. Looking for a convoy down there. A very distinctive group of railroad tracks and things down there. Now we're heading 075 for shopping. And there's the town of shopping. There may be something down here. And if you find yourself inadvertently in cloud like this, oh dear, now what? There is a cloud breaking procedure and I have a video for that, so we're just going to descend on this heading. So there may be something on this road here. I'll take a closer look. I'll have a quick look in the town and see what's down there. I don't see anything. Okay, we're going to go to the next waypoint. Next waypoint, they say, is 115 heading until we get to almost to Münster. A little different navigating under these conditions, isn't it? But if you get lost, if you're not sure, turn around and do your reciprocal heading and go back and find where you were, and then turn around and come back. Like that crossroad should be very easy to see. That'll be this one right here. And at the next crossroads here, this is where the convoy should be. But I see them not. So there's the town of Münster. A right turn to the next waypoint. 250. Can you see that we're off track here? You see this forest to the right? We should be going across it about halfway down. We're coming across here, we should be going across there. So I've corrected about 20 degrees. And then we'll correct back to 250 once we're on track again. Which is probably about now. If we're right on track, we should be going right between these 2 towns to the town of Borken. And you can see here, that's the right town, that's the left town. So we're slightly to the right of us, to the left of track here. So I'm going to come right and put us back on track. Somewhere about here. then back to 250. And if we're right, Borken should be right on the nose. And this will be our last opportunity for hitting a target. And there's Borken dead on the nose. So we're just going to do a couple of circuits around here and see if we draw any flak or if we can see any targets. Looks like there's some gun emplacements or something down there. Yeah, there's an artillery barrage there. Okay, we're going to do one run on this artillery barrage and then go home. Don't like the flak. Stay low. 245 on the heading. Flak's good. Okay, 245. Get away from the flak. Then we can climb up again. Now we're looking for 245 down to Wheezy here, and then we're home. So we're going to cross the river. We should be able to see vessel off to the left. I can't stress the importance of keeping your heading. There's some odd shaped lakes. Let's find those on the map. Here they are. We just crossed over there, so we're about 10 degrees off track. So we're going to turn left 10 degrees and we should get directly to Wheezy. So down below is this sort of trees there. There'll be lakes and then Wheezy just dead ahead. And there it is down below. So we're going to do something different here. We're going to head right from Wheezy here, right to the airfield itself. So 270 is there. It's about 285 should take us right down that runway. Right turn 285. The time should take us about 3 minutes. We have a stopwatch down here on the left. We can look at that 3 minutes from there. And again, from previous missions, you'll remember that we were able to see quite well at distance, so we might be able to see the airfield in about 2 minutes. Okay, so there is that horseshoe-shaped lake. This one here, 270 should take us to the field. And there's the airfield dead ahead. Alright, time to land this baby. In the winter you have to be very careful with this airplane because you might supercool it and break your engine if you pull the power back too rapidly or too soon. Cold air is much more dense than warm air, and so when you come into land you'll have more of a cushion, so it may take a little longer to put it on the ground. The takeaway from this one is to keep your heading and keep track of where you are all the time. There's little margin for error in cloud, and things go sideways very quickly. Thanks for watching, guys. Join me for Mission 8. Cheers. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you, guys.